Hey you all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal, and first of all I apologize for not uploading any video for so long as I was busy in some events, but now I'm back with another hair tutorial. So yeah, let's start it. Okay, so I'm starting by side parting my hair and just leave some hair from both the side for a while. Now from the rest of the hair, create a ponytail and twist it. And you have to do only one twist. And then hide the end under the twist. And once it hides completely, secure it with U-pins or bobby pins. Now take the one side of hair and remove the tangles and place it around the bun. So this is the first part of the hairstyle. And for forming a bun, you just have to mess up the upper part of your hair and pin up like anywhere in the crown section. Like I'm taking some hair to the back side to forming a round messy type of bun and pin it up. I now take the front section which we left earlier and I'm doing a rope braid with twisting. And I'm not going to take it to the back side and wrapping around the bun. I will take it to the opposite side. And wrap the end around the fingers and secure it with pins. And yeah, that's it. So this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you like this video then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.